Welcome to Trading Soil. My name is Samuel Emeka. In this video, we are going to be teaching you how to do top-down technical analysis. This is what we do on a daily basis, and this video is mainly for the day traders, swing traders, position traders, and scalpers alike. You don't have anything to be worried about. All you need to do is to pay attention to this video to the end. Okay? So, if you have not subscribed to this channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive our daily updates whenever we upload the videos like this. Okay, so without further said and done, let's go into the video and let's teach you how we do our top-down technical analysis. Okay, when I come to my trading decks, the first thing I would like to do is to go to my higher time frame information, which is the monthly. That is what I like to see first. Now what I want to do here is I want to see the signal of where the previous month candlestick is pointing to. Okay, so we must learn to be on a current trend. Okay, so now on my higher time frame, which is a monthly, what I want to see is not the overall information like this. What I want to see is the current information, which is the previous month candlestick signal. As you can see, the previous month candlestick signal is pointing to the bullish direction. So which means for this month, what I need is to look for a trade to the bullish direction, which is to look for a trade to uptrend. Okay, that is what this information is giving me, and that is what I want to stick to. Okay, now I will take my trend line and draw horizontal line below. Now this stands as my resistance point. Okay, so if you understand what I mean, drop it in the comment section below, but if you don't, let me just quickly highlight what it means to you. Support and resistance need to be placed based on the trend direction. Okay, so if you know the meaning of support and you know the meaning of resistance, then you will agree with me that it needs to be based on the trend direction. Now on this current information that I am looking at, which is this is the bullish information. Okay, this below it here, this low will be my resistance point, because what that means is we are going to be resisting price from breaking this low. So we are going to be looking for trade to the upside. Okay, so majority of traders, even the institutional traders, are going to be resisting price from pulling down. Okay, because we are aiming that price should continue to the upside. So this will be our resistance point. This is where we are going to be resisting price from breaking. Okay, so that is why this is resistant. Unlike what the majority of traders are doing, they take this low to be their support and this high to be their resistance. No, support and resistance, like I said, need to be based on the trend direction. That is what it needs to be. Okay, we need to figure out which area are we going to be resisting price, okay, from breaking, and which area are we going to be supporting from. So our resistance will be below here, while our support will be above. Okay, if I'm going to be targeting to take my profit, this will be my take profit, because this will be where our traders might likely start coming in, you know, to support price from going down. Okay, but this is where majority of traders, even in the institutional traders, are going to be resisting price from breaking. So they want to push it up. As you can see it here, when the market is downtrend, okay, our resistance point will be above, because we are going to be resisting price from breaking above this point. Okay, but when our information is telling us uptrend, our resistance point will be below, because we are going to be resisting price from breaking below to the upside. Okay, so that is that on that. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you still waiting for? Hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive my daily update on this channel. Okay, so now where I have taken down the low, I have highlighted the low, which is my resistance point. What I will do is to come to the weekly. Okay, so this is the weekly information. Now the weekly is telling me the what? The bears are in control of the week. You can see for 3 weeks now the bears has been in control. So now this week is my current information. Okay, this is the monthly information, but this is the weekly, which is the current. Okay, so I shouldn't be trading against the current trend. Okay, even if I am looking to continue trading to the upside, but then I shouldn't be trading against the current trend. So what I'll do is to take my trend line, take the high of the previous week information, which is this place. Okay, this is the current week, this is the previous week. Okay, so I take the high, change the color, then bolding it all. Now I have taken the high of the previous week bearish candlestick. Okay, so what I do next is to move down to the daily information. So this is the daily information. Okay, so now what I will do is stay on the current trend. Now you can see on the daily information, the previous daily candlestick show us bullish. Okay, it shows us bullish. Now this might be that the monthly signal is trying to commence. Okay, but like I said, always stay on the current information. Now our trading range is from this low, which is our resistance point for the month, and this high, which is our support for the month, and our resistance point for the week. Okay, so now what we are going to do next, like I said, stay on the current trend, is to take our trend line and draw the horizontal line for the previous day candlestick information. Okay, so we take this low, which is the low of the previous day candlestick. Now we are moving down to the lower time frame. As you can see, this is how we do our top-down technical analysis, okay, without stress. Okay, now I'm going to take the 4-hour information. Okay, now as you can see, this is for the day, and this is for 4 hours. You can see the previous 4 hours shows us bullish, but the current one, you can see this week, this is a very long week. Okay, now what we are going to be doing here is to take the low. Now we have taken this low, okay, because this move have engulfed this previous 4-hour bullish candlestick. So what we are doing is to look for a price action. This is where we now go to minutes. So we'll use the minutes to look for price action to trade the direction of our higher time frame signal. So now, as you can see, this week is showing strength that the bulls are coming in to take over for the day. Okay, so now it might be that the daily information is trying to commence, and if this day commence to the direction of the previous day candlestick, it also can tell that the monthly bullish candlestick might also try to commence. So we have three informations now in confluence. Okay, so I can now move down to my 5-minute time frame. Move down to my 5-minute time frame. You can see what 5 minutes information is telling us. You can see. So now what we do here is to wait for a pullback. Okay, you can wait here for a pullback, and we enter the market to the upside. Now this does not mean that you will get this right 100% of time. Okay, but if you can follow this signal, you will get this. You will be making profit, you know, most of the time. Okay, so now what not matters is how you handle your money management skill. Your money management skill is now what you need to work on to perfect everything you are learning here. Okay, so this is how we do our top-down technical analysis on a daily basis. This is what we do on a daily basis. And if you are a scalper, what you can do is to come down to 1 hour. This is how we do our scalping. Come down to 1 hour and see the 1 hour candlestick signal. You can see this is the 1 hour candlestick signal. Okay, so if you're a scalper, all you can do is to take your trend line, mark the low of the 1 hour. So this stand as your resistance point. Change the color, bolding it up. Okay, so this is your resistance points for scalpers. Okay, so what you will be doing is that the next 1 hour information, you will be expecting price to continue to the upside. Okay, so now what you can do is to come down to 5 minutes. Okay, so wait for a pullback to confirm this price movement. So you wait for a pullback to confirm this price movement, and after which you enter the market to the upside. Okay, so this is what you can do for yourself as a scalper. But if you are a day trader, like I said, you can wait. If you have not entered the market, you can wait for a pullback, then you continue it to the upside. Okay, anticipating that the day candlestick will also close bullish. Okay, and if you are a position trader, you can also wait for a pullback, you enter the market and you hold it for the month, because it seems like the day and the day and the monthly is aligning together, and the lower time frame is trying to also align with the both information. So once it happens, then you can enter the market and hold for the whole month or for the day. Okay, so this is how we do our top-down technical analysis on a daily basis. So that is why I said this video is for all kind of traders: scalpers, swing traders, day traders, and position traders. So this video is mainly for everybody. Okay, so as you can see, sometimes we do scalping, sometimes we do day trading, sometimes we do swing trading, and sometimes we do position trading. So depending on what we are seeing in our analysis, that is how we do our investment. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, I will once more tell you to hit your subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you can receive our daily technical analysis update. I would like you to also like this video and share it across with your fellow traders. Okay, so I will see you in the next one to come. Okay, so happy trading journey. Okay?